Hi, we're back to share with you some of the modifications that we've done to our Lagun table since we installed it a few months ago. Since we installed the Lagun table several months ago, we've been using it very heavily since and thoroughly enjoy it. There were a couple of things that we've modified since then to make the table a little bit more robust for our installation. First off, we did go back and modify the tabletop to be mounted in the center. Before we had that offset in hopes to use it as a coffee table for a recliner. That seemed to be putting a lot of extra pressure on there that it really didn't need, and these host tables are pretty big. So we did put that back in the middle. That's definitely helped. Second part of this is to show how we've updated the base installation, and I'll let Gary talk about that.
When we were working with the table, it had a lot of deflection, so I didn't have it secured as well as I thought I did. The bottom ones are tight, they seem to be okay, but these top ones seem to not loosen up, but they were moving with the Lagun. The wood that they have here is not necessarily braced to the metal. There's some wood pieces back here. They just secured it with staples all the way through, so it all loosened up and was giving us a bunch of deflection. So what I've done is I put a big backer plate with aluminum back here so that I'm spreading the load. Lagun is screwed to those two structural pieces, and then I took this piece and mounted it so it's securely fastened to this aluminum piece, and then I just screwed in vertical screws to keep this from deflecting out, because all that's in there was just staples holding it together, and to me that just didn't work. So I just inset some screw heads. These are all going to be hidden by the cushions anyway. Now it's rock solid, doesn't move anywhere.
If you enjoy watching our videos, please help support us by subscribing to our channel.